Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the lineup of Tactik Hood Latches. Each of these latches are compatible with both the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs, as well as the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL and 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT, replacing those run-of-the-mill factory hood latches found on the hood of your Wrangler or Gladiator with a set of Tactik latches is the perfect way to freshen up the front end of your Jeep while also adding a bit of personal style to help your Wrangler or Gladiator stand out from the crowd. No matter which latch you choose from Tactik, all of them are crafted from the same great durable, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant aluminum, and then finished in a satin black smooth powder coat finish. They all include the necessary hardware to get them installed, along with the appropriate rubber gaskets that'll install between the body of the latch and the painted surfaces on your Jeep. They even include the Allen keys necessary to get them installed. The only thing you'll need from your toolbox is a 10mm and 13mm wrench to get these installed. Now that job is a pretty easy one. Should take you less than about a half hour's time to get both hood latches installed on your Jeep. If we take a look at the first latch all the way to the left, you'll see it features a great clean 3-hole design on the connecting arm of the latch running from the fender side to the hood side. Of course, each one of those holes should add about 10 horsepower to your Jeep. Now next up, the second latch utilizes a very similarly designed body to the latch with the same components on the fender side and hood side of the latch. Only this time, instead of the holes, we've got a great stars and stripe design printed right there on the body of the latch. For the third latch in our lineup from Tactik, we feature an adjustable design, utilizes the same fender side and hood side components from the previous latches, only this time we've got a threaded rod connecting the two with some jam nuts to allow you to perfectly tailor the amount of tension you like between your hood and fenders. Now for the fourth and final latch in our lineup, we've got a totally different design than the first three. This features a nice smooth taper design to the latch, concealing all of the hardware. And this time we've got a lock cylinder right there on each latch. We include a pair of matching keys for the highest level of security for your underhood components. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase any one of the Tactik Hood Latches for your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icons to be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.